Welcome to Just Cook. We're going to show you how to make easy peasy pizza dough. The recipe's on our website. So I've got 200 grams of flour, a pinch of sugar, pinch of salt, got fast acting dried yeast here. You can get in the supermarkets. Just going to use half a sachet for 200 grams, full sachet for 400. Sprinkle that in. Then we've got 115 ml of water, plus I want a tablespoon of oil. Measure it, I'll just put a little drop in there. Stir all this, mix it all up so it's combined. Make a well in the centre, pour in the liquid, and then with your hands start mixing it up, combining that all together. And you might find, depending on the flour you're using, this is just plain flour, but if you're using a stronger flour you might need a little bit more water, or just, it can just be a little bit of a touch of more water, but this is okay. This is coming together nicely. Let me just have a little bit extra flour here because you're going to obviously have to roll this out and knead it. So just spread a little bit of flour out and start to knead that until it becomes nice and smooth. Get some flour on your hands just so it doesn't stick too much, and then just knead that nicely. It takes really just 1 minute, and literally you've got pizza dough. Kids can make this, great fun, make their own toppings. We're going to knead this, and then once it's got smooth, very easily, see, once that's nice and smooth, just going to round that. And then what we're going to do is just pop the bowl back over it, just to cover it, leave it there for about 20 minutes, half an hour, and then roll it out and make a pizza. It's as simple as that. Nice thin pizza, great recipe. Okay, so we've let the dough rest. I've cut that piece of dough in half. Got one ball here. Make sure it's a nice round ball. Flatten it down a little bit. Let's get some flour on that, and then we're just going to gently roll this out to start with. Just to start it off. Then we're going to finish it by using our hands. This is going to make an individual pizza, but you could just do the whole big ball if you wanted to and make it into one big one. So I'm going to get it in my hands now. Let's spin it a little bit. Let's stretch it with your hands. Have a little bit of fun with this, spinning it around. It will stretch, as you can see, it's opening up already. Then what I've got here, I've got my baking pizza tray, baking paper and polenta on there. And that polenta is going to help it to stop sticking, but also it will help make that pizza dough nice and crusty underneath. And then you can see I'm just using my fingers now to stretch the pizza out. Don't need to do this with a rolling pin. And that's stretching out nicely, just keeping its shape. Doesn't matter if it's not perfectly round, ain't going to taste any better. It's nice to have it like that. So that's now probably as thin as I want to take it. That's now ready. Sauce on, toppings on as you like. Very easy. Quick pizza, Just Cook. Check out the recipe on our website. Okay, so I thought I'd show you how to make a calzone pizza, which is basically same recipe, same ingredients, but it's just a folded pizza. So we're going to fold it over a bit like a pasty and bake it, and it's like a pizza pie if you like. So again, it's pretty much the same ingredients, but you can fill it with what you want. Just make sure we fill it more towards the centre because we're going to fold this over, as I say, and so you want to not fill it too close to the edges. I've got some mixtures here. I've got some ham, some hot dog chopped up, just use stuff that's in the fridge, some onions, there's a little bit of cheese mixed in with it so it gets that going as well, and then some cheese on top, but I'll put a couple of bits more pepperoni in there, because we like pepperoni. And then a bit more cheese just to make it nice and sticky and yummy. So we're going to put that on, and then basically try and keep it, as I say, without sort of getting around the getting onto the edges, because you want to seal this. So it's just a quick fold over like that, stretch the pizza dough over, and then seal this down, pull that round over, just push it right down so that you can make sure that is sealed, because you don't want the filling coming out. Just give it a good press down with the fingers. That's nicely on there now. And then what we'll do is we'll pop that one in the oven, and then we'll see that when it comes out as well. So that's pizza calzone. Okay, so that's the pizza calzone. That's baked nicely in the oven for about 11 minutes, 12 minutes. We'll cut that in half, just have a look. But so this is a nice way to eat. My son likes calzone pizza. We'll cut that through like that, and just open that up like that. As you can see, that's nicely melted inside. Absolutely yummy. See the steam coming off that. So that's a new tasty way to eat them. Traditional pizza or calzone, as you like. Enjoy making them and enjoy eating them.